Okay, so in our previous class, we have completed the PT cash book and then we have started purchase book. I told you that purchase book, sales book format is same. There is no change. Uh, So have I shared some homework? I think
The
you have
petty
solved one
cash
question.
was there.
I'm asking, is there any homework in previous
Yeah,
class?
there was he gave me petty cash. I had done it, but then I had one more column left, so I'll submit it after.
Okay,
So I have one doubt.
tell me.
After the particulars, it's total payments,
After
like
particular, it's
amount, right? So normal
in PT cash book.
yeah, yeah.
Yes, it is amount. Yes, this is
Okay.
particular column. Here amount. So this is your doubt, means after particular column you have written amount.
No, I had a doubt if the voucher number came after or before that.
You can actually these are for format purpose. The most important thing is this voucher number you can leave. Okay, it is mainly if you have to create proper format for PT cash book, then you can create this amount received, LF, cash book folio, voucher number. But if you leave this voucher number or cash book folio, sometime it doesn't impact your solution. Everything is correct. Okay, so generally while solving questions, sometime we leave like LF column. It is missed. You don't remember it always, so sometime cash book folio may be missed, sometime voucher number may be missed. So it is not much important. But again, if you have to write the proper format, like they will ask you, draw a format for analytical petty cash book or draw a format for simple petty cash book, then you have to write the proper format. Okay, so after particular column, if you have written amount, that is not mistake, that is also correct. Okay,
Okay.
is there any other question you have?
No, I don't.
Okay, so I have solved one purchase book question in the previous class, and after that I have shared the purchase book question also. You have not received the purchase book question, yes?
No, purchase, you had given it last class. Like this, I mean, you didn't give homework for purchase.
Okay, actually in previous class, the Tuesday, yes, on Tuesday, this is the homework I have shared. Maybe it is not visible to you yet. The question that I have solved in the PDF, I have solved the question number 1, and I have given this question number 2 as homework. 2 and 3. Yes, 3 also. Okay, so do you remember the format of purchase book? If not, you can see here. This is the purchase book. So after purchase book, it is sales book. The format is also same for sales book, but we you have not received this homework.
Let me check again. Yeah, it's there. I didn't
Yes.
see it. Yeah.
Yes. So this was the homework I have shared in previous class. Okay, I'm like writing the sales book now. I'm sharing the sales book. Then I will give you one question of sales book because purchase book, sales book are almost same. So if you solve any one, then you can easily understand the others. So what is sales book? First of all, I told you that in subsidiary book, we have to record one transaction in only one book. Yes, do you remember this?
Yeah.
Okay. So I have given you one example for this also. Do you remember the example? Can you tell me?
I don't remember the example.
Okay, I told you that like if we are preparing ledger, then all the transactions are recorded in two accounts at least. If there is like purchase account debit to cash account, so it will go in purchase account also and in cash account at two places. But when we are preparing like subsidiary book, this purchase for cash will go in any one book. So purchase for cash will go in cash book and purchase on credit will go to purchase book. So only credit purchase is recorded in purchase book and all the cash transaction, including cash purchase, will be written in cash book. Okay. So here also, uh, sales book is prepared to record all the credit sales of business. It is part of subsidiary book. Sales book is prepared on the basis of invoice received from seller of goods. So the format is same. When we say sales book, first is amount, then detail, and here it is the date. You can see the same format we have prepared in purchase book also. Date, particular, invoice number, LF, detail, amount. Now the same thing is here also. Date, particular, LF, invoice number, detail, amount. So, format of sales book. So please write this.
So the transactions will be the same as like a ledger. I mean, sorry, not ledger.
Not ledger.
Uh,
It will be same as purchase book.
oh, okay, okay.
Tell me once you have completed.
Thanks. Sir.
Okay. So now this question you can see the question number 4.
Yeah, I can see.
So can you solve this question? Question number 4. It is same as the purchase book that we have done in the previous class. If you remember the purchase book, you can easily solve this. But if you don't remember the purchase book, then it will be difficult. So tell me, can you solve this question?
Can you solve it? I didn't start purchase.
Okay. Okay, so I'm solving this question. After that, you have to solve one at least question. So detail and amount. Left. 2020, it is sales book. So sold to Messrs. Gupta Furniture. First of all, before reading the transaction, we have to read what is the business. Prepare sales book from the following transaction of Hema Traders dealing in furniture. That is important. So if she is dealing in furniture, then it means furniture is not assets here. Furniture is goods. So sale of furniture or purchase of furniture will be treated in purchase book or sales book. Sold to Messrs. Gupta Furniture House, Delhi. Okay, what we have sold, details are given. So on April 1st, the transaction is given with the name of Gupta Furniture, Delhi. So first you have to write the name of the business, Gupta Furniture House, Delhi. The basic detail you have to write. Then 100 chairs at the rate 1500 per chair. So 100 chairs at the rate 1500 each. So in detail column, 1500 in 15,000, 1,50,000. Then 40 tables at the rate 2000 per table. $80,000 less trade discount at the rate 5%. So now we will add this. It is 2,30,000 and minus trade discount. So 2,30,000, 11,500. So it will be 2,18,500. April 10. Sold to Messrs. Ajit Singh and Sons. So Messrs. Ajit Singh and Sons. 150 desk at the rate 1000 per desk. 150 desk at the rate 1000 each. And there is another item 160 chair at the rate 1500 per chair. So 160 chair at the rate 1500 each. Is there any other item? No. Trade discount 5% again. So 1000 into 150, it will be again 1,50,000. And 160 into 1500, it will be 15 lakh and 2,40,000. So total is 3,90,000 minus trade discount 5%. So it will be 1 lakh, sorry, 5% means 19,500. The remaining amount will be 3,70,005. The third transaction is sold to Messrs. Ideal Furniture House, Darjeeling. There are three items now. Ideal Furniture House. Ideal Furniture House. 10 sofa set, 75,000 each. 10 sofa set, 75,000 each. Then there is 5 Almira at the rate 3,000 each. And last one is 25 round tables at the rate 4,000 each. So it is 1 lakh. Then minus again trade discount. So trade discount at the rate 10%. So it will be 86,500. So 0, 0, 7,78,500. Now we will calculate total. 2 lakh, 3, 5 lakh, 7, 12 lakh. 12 lakh, 88, 89,000. 12 lakh, 89,008. 12 lakh, 97,000 plus 70, 13 lakh, 67,500. So the total will be 13 lakh 67,500. Okay. So while preparing purchase or sales book, first we write the name of the business. Okay, Gupta Furniture, House Delhi, Messrs. Ajit Singh and Sons, and the third one is Messrs. Ideal Furniture. Now, after writing the uh, business name, we write the item detail. 14 chairs, 100 chairs at the rate 1,500 each, 40 tables at the rate 2,000 each, 150 desk at the rate 1,000. So we will write item detail. Okay. So there will be 2 items, 3 items, 4 items. Many items can be given, and we will calculate the total amount of each in detail column. Okay. After that, if you have to deduct trade discount, if you have to add freight, GST, anything that you have to add or deduct from the value, invoice value, then we will adjust it here. In the same manner we have deducted trade discount. Okay. After deducting the amount, after calculating the final amount will be written in amount column. Okay. So if there are 3, 4 transactions, then final amount of each transaction will be added, and at the end we will calculate total of sales. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, please.
Can you explain the discount part once again?
Yes, discount part. Discount part, trade discount. If you remember, I told you that discount is of 2 types. One is called trade discount, one is called cash discount. So trade discount is used only for calculation purpose. It is not recorded in the journal entry generally. Okay. So here also we are only using trade discount for calculation purpose. You can see we have deducted from 2,30,000 first transaction, 2,30,000 we have calculated the total. Is this clear to you? The 100 chairs, 1,500 each, 40 tables, 2,000 each. So
Yes.
total amount is 230. Now, from this 230, if you calculate 5%, it will be 11,500. So trade discount is deducted from 230 It is calculated also on 230 and deducted it from 230 and we get 2,18,500. Okay. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So any confusion in any other discount like this one? 150 desk at the rate 1,000 each, 150, 160 chair at the rate 1,500 each, 2,40,000. So total amount of sale is 3,90,000. Is that part clear?
Yes, sir.
Again, on this 3,90,000, we will calculate 5%. So 390 into 5 by 100, we will get 19,500. So this discount is deducted from 390 and we got 370,500. So this is our trade discount part. Now, if you want to write this, please write.
So can you scroll down?
Yes.
Done. So
Okay. Now you have this question number. Mhm. Yes, question number 5. Actually, no, question number 6 you should solve. Completed? Manvi, have you completed?
No, sir.
Which transaction you are doing?
20th. So I'm done.
Okay. Can you tell me the total?
87. Wait. Yeah, 87,920.
87,920. Okay. Amount of first transaction?
34. 34,720.
Jan 5, 34,700. How you got this 34,700?
1 minute.
There is 10 tables at the rate 1100 each. It means it will be 11,000. Yes. And 20 chairs at the rate 1,000 each. It should be 20,000.
20,000.
So total will be 31,000.
Sorry, I told you the wrong. Yeah, it's 31,000.
Okay. In the second transaction,
30,000.
it will be 5,000 into 5 and 1,000 into 5. Yes, 30,000. Then in the third transaction, it will be
17,500.
17,500. So total amount should be 78,500.
I think I did something wrong in the first transaction. That's why.
Okay, what about Jan 20 transaction? Why you leave this? Why you have not recorded this transaction? The Jan 20.
I did record. It's 20,000.
Jan 20, it is sold old printers to 600 to Raja and Company. Why you have not recorded this transaction? Jan 20.
I did record, but I got 20,000.
But there's only 600. There is 4 transaction. You can see that.
Yeah, I can.
So Jan 5, Jan 10, the 20,000 amount you are saying it is related to Jan 10.
I think I made a mistake. Can I rewrite that? No. 1 minute.
You can make correction. Because if you will rewrite it, it will take much time. Okay. One more thing, actually, before writing these, can you tell me that the business is related to furniture? Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So Jan 20 transaction is sold old printers. Old printer means we are selling the electronic items. Yes.
Yeah.
So this is not the sales of goods. Yes. Because printer is not goods for us.
Oh,
So that's why it should not be recorded in the books, sales books. Okay.
okay, sir.
Okay. Now we will discuss purchase return. What is purchase return? Okay. Do you know the meaning of purchase return?
When you purchase something and you need to return it,
And you?
need to return it.
You need to return it. Okay. Any specific reason why we need to return it?
Maybe it could be damaged or
Some defective product.
yeah.
Yes. So purchase return book. When we say purchase return, it means like when we have purchased goods on credit basis and it is returned. Uh, so only goods which is returned and which is purchased originally on credit basis. That's what will be recorded in this purchase return book. If you purchase goods on cash basis and then you are returning it, it will not be recorded here. It will go in cash account. Okay. So it is prepared to record all the goods returned which was originally purchased on credit basis. Purchased on credit basis. It is called purchase return book. So it is prepared to record all the goods returned which was originally purchased on credit basis. It is prepared on the basis of debit note prepared by the buyer or purchaser or the credit note issued by seller. Okay, do you have the book right now with you?
The textbook?
Yes, the textbook.
Yeah, I have.
Okay, so if you open the special purpose book 2, like recording of transaction 2, so actually in my book it is 11.12 page number. So can you find the purchase return book?
Special purpose 2, right?
Yes, a special purpose book 2. Purchase return book.
Yeah, I found it.
Okay.
Purchase return.
Now, the format is same, but there is one item, debit note, that is given here. Can you see?
Yeah.
Yes. So debit note is prepared by the buyer because we are returning goods. So we will send the detail to the seller that we have returned this value of goods and we are debiting your account in our books. That's it. That is why it is called debit note. Okay. When seller will issue the same document, actually document for the same transaction, then it is called credit note because seller will credit your account with the amount of return. Okay, so he will reduce the amount payable by you. He will reduce the amount. That's why it is credited, and you will decrease the amount payable to him. So you will make debit note and seller will issue credit note. So anything that is given in the question, this purchase book will be prepared on that basis. So if we are returning goods, we have not received any credit note from the seller, then we will create our own debit note and we will issue it to the seller. We will send it to him that these goods are returned to you. The value of these goods I'm deducting it from the amount payable to you. So that is debit note. So date, particular. This is debit note number. And here it is LF. Again, detail and amount. So this is our format of purchase return book. Format of purchase return book. Please write this. After writing this, we will discuss the debit note format. Done?
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. Now, there is debit note. I told you to see the book. There is a debit note format given. You can see.
Yeah.
Yes. So in this debit note format, the first thing given is the name of company who is issuing this debit note. So let's say the company name is given here, but I'm taking uh, ABC and company. Okay. The address will be written here. Whatever the address is, you will write the heading debit note. So either you can write debit note here on the upper part or after the name. So this is debit note, ABC and company. You will write the name of company that you are issuing it to. So XYZ and company and their address. The date will be written here. Okay. Then you will write the details, like whatever details you want to share with them. So goods detail and their amount. Then if there is more than one item, then like this, you will calculate the total, and then there will be signature for ABC and company. This amount is here. And if there is a receiver signature, you need. So if you're issuing it to XYZ company, so signature of any person of XYZ in company. So here it is the format of debit note. So it will be like this. The first part will be name and date. Then the second part will be details. And the third part will be signature and the receiver. So this is the debit note. Okay. It is a little bit different from invoice, but it is called debit note. Now, the sales return book, that is also actually same. These two books are especially based on purchase and sale book. So that's why it will not take much time. There is a very few portion in the books, one or two maybe. So sales return book. If you know how to prepare purchase book or sales book, then you can easily prepare the sales return or purchase return book. So it is prepared to record all the goods returned by customer which was sold on credit basis. So this is our sales return book. It is prepared on the basis of credit note issued or the debit note received from the buyer. So again, the same format. Instead of debit note, here it will be credit note. format of sales return book, it will be date, particular, LF, credit note number, detail, amount. So this is the format of sales return book. Please write this also. Now there is only one column, one book left, which is called proper journal. So we have completed cash book, we have completed purchase return, sales, and sales return book. So 5 is completed. There is one more, purchase proper journal, which we will discuss in the next class, and this chapter will be complete. Please write this.